Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines designed for small spaces. Today, we will explore the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer, known for its robust features and modern design, against the more compact and budget-friendly portable mini washing machine. We'll dive into their specifications, usability, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer is priced at $348 United States dollars, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. In contrast, the portable mini washing machine is significantly more affordable at just $79 United States dollars, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. This price difference is a crucial factor for many potential buyers. The BLACK+DECKER model boasts 8 wash cycles and a transparent lid with an LED display, providing users with a high level of control and visibility during the wash. On the other hand, the portable mini washing machine offers 3 cleaning modes along with a spin basket, which is ideal for small clothes. While the BLACK+DECKER model is feature-rich, the simplicity of the portable mini washing machine may appeal to those looking for ease of use. In terms of design, the BLACK+DECKER washer presents a sleek and modern look, making it a stylish addition to any laundry space. However, the portable mini washing machine is designed to be compact and foldable, making it perfect for travel or small apartments. This portability factor is essential for users who need a washing solution that can easily be stored or transported. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and the portable mini washing machine have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER model is ideal for those who prioritize features and capacity, while the portable mini washing machine offers a budget-friendly and portable solution. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.